Hello, and welcome to week 2 or learning unit 2 for our adventure in CSS 2110, Computer Organization and Architecture 1. We're going to go right into what you're responsible for our second week. Please do not forget about the discussion question, and it's all about memory. Memory, you need to essentially understand the importance of memory within the infrastructure of your computing system. And the prompt is describe the memory hierarchy. What is the relationship between speed and cost between memory types? In my long time, employment in the technology industry, looking at computer infrastructure, building systems, et cetera, it was always important to understand how what the amount of application or the amount of memory applications needed to use, et cetera, et cetera. So please do your due diligence and do the research and respond to that discussion question. Remember, initial response is due Wednesday before midnight, and you need to comment on 2 of your classmates. All right. All right. On to other aspects of the week of the learning unit. I'm going to go back to we have 2 activities in the use certify environment, determining the characteristics of memory devices and memory architecture. Remember, you can learn a lot by going through these activities. And just to remind you, you click on the link, it'll take you to a landing page. You click on the button and it will open up the use certify environment, and you just need to click on the nice little activity, read. Please do the reading and go through the activities. It's very important that you continue to do that throughout the learning experience. And I'm closing it out without going through that. Please don't do that. I need to go back to the Canvas course. But use certify is a very, very stable environment, and it should not be a problem for you to get through the activities. All right, let me go back into the course. Remember, this is CSS 2110. Then I'm instructing you, giving you an overview, and we're now on learning unit 2. The second activity in learning unit is determining L3 cache sizes for the processors. This is all very useful information. And please do not hesitate if you have any questions if you have any issues or concerns, please let me know. And as usual, you finish with a quiz. And remember, there's several aspects of the quiz that are very useful. The learn, which provides immediate feedback, the gamification of it, and then the test itself and the review. All of these aspects you can learn quite a bit from. So thank you. Once again, learning unit 2, get in there and do the work. And I will see you next week.